So now discussing the second method to solve this particular question, what would that be? So it says that Arpita and Nikita working together can complete a assigned job in 12 days. So the days used here is 12 days and alone days used here is 24 days, and there is a 40% value which will be 2 by 5. Okay, so the LCM of 12 and 24 will obviously be 24, and then the LCM with the 24 with 5 will become 120. Okay, so let's assume that the total work is 120 units. Just assume that the total work is 120 units. So with this, with that information, what we can say that Arpita and Nikita can working together can complete the assigned job in 12 days. So that means if Arpita is doing A units of work and Nikita is doing N units of work, then A plus N will become 10 units per day, right? Because 120 units are there, they are completed in 12 days. So that means per day 10 units of work will be happening. Okay. Arpita working initially had to complete 40% of the job. So 40% of the job will be 2 by 5 of 120, and that will be how much? 48 units. So 48 units of work was done by Arpita alone, and 120 minus 48 will become 72 units of work was done by, which will be 3/5 of 120 if you want to take that is also okay, or you can do it directly like this also. Okay, so 48 units and 72 units will become the two parts of it, right? Now Arpita will take how much time to do 48 units of work? So 48 units of work with efficiency of A will take 48 upon A days, and 72 units of work with the efficiency of Nikita that will take 72 upon N days, and that is equals to how much? The total days taken by both of them together, 24 days to complete the job. So that is the question. Now I can simplify that. 24 ones are, 24 twos are, 24 threes are. Okay, so I will be able to get 2 upon A is equals to 1 minus 3 upon N. Okay, so I'll be getting N minus 3 upon N will be equal to 2 upon A, right? I want the value in terms of Nikita, because Nikita requires to complete the entire job in how much time it is asking us, है ना? So if A plus N is equals to 10, with this data, can I say that A is nothing but 10 minus N? Yes, it will be. So just replacing 2 upon 10 minus N here is equals to N minus 3 upon N, and then doing the cross multiplication, I will be getting a 2N will be equal to a 10N minus a N square minus 30 and plus 3N square. Okay, why 3N square? Plus 3N alone. Yeah, it will be minus N into minus 3 will be a plus N, plus 3N. So taking N square that side, I will be getting an N square. Then 10N plus 3N will become how much? 13N. Going that side will become 2N minus 13N, that will become a minus 11N. And a minus 30 going this side again will become a plus 30. So that means I need to make two factors of 30 such that the summation becomes 11. So that will be 6 and a 5. So N will become 6 or 5. When you solve it, you will understand that when the coefficient of N is a negative value and constant part is positive value, then both the roots are positive, right? So if N is equals to 6 or N is equals to 5, right? So if N is equals to 6 and the total work is 120 units, so the time taken by Nikita alone will become 120 upon 6, and that will be 20 days. The second option being the time taken by Nikita. If efficiency of Nikita is 5 units, will be 120 upon 5, and that will be 24 days. So both the options are correct. Only one of the option was given to you in this particular question, but yes, either of this, if you have mentioned there, because it is asking you the possible value, the possible number of days that Nikita require. So these both the values will be correct. So please see the solution, and I think it is a better method than the last one.